Rain on the pavement, static in my head. Found something broken, but it pulled me instead. Neon reflection, colors start to bleed. I didn't press play, it pressed into me. Something in the silence, calling out my name. Every note is fire, every drop's a flame. Plug into me, let the night rewrite my code. Hear what I couldn't speak, feel what I never showed. Let the night rewrite my code. Feel what I never showed. Let the signal take control. Let the signal take control. Into something heartbeat sinking to a frequency I know. Voices in the waveform telling me to let go. I was just a shadow standing in the rain. Now I feel a universe running through my veins. If I fade into the sound, will you still be there? If I lose what I was,